just gave you like.
All right, today we're gonna get a toy for our dogs, and this comes with extra attachments. All right, now this is my dog's favorite one. That's what's attached to it right now. We have this one. They could tug of war with it. This one's telescopic. It stretches out. That means it opens up all the way out there. They give you a bag, a traveling bag with it, but a long stretchable bungee cord. Right, it's very strong. You're gonna see how strong it is. That I play with my dog, tug of war with it, but this one has a great handle. Great for cats too. I noticed that too. So not just dogs, great for cats. Let's put it to use.
Okay. No, you're too strong. Hold on. Okay. Are you gonna bring? That's it. Get it, don't Crystal. Get it. Crystal, go get it. Get it, Crystal. Come on, Crystal, get it. Get it, Crystal. Get it, Crystal. Get it, Crystal. Get it. Ay, get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Come on.